Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger sound if it's not working. First, you have to open the Messenger app in your device, and on the top right corner, there's a three-line icon. Tap on that as well. And from here, we could see the setting icon right over here. Tap on that. And we need to scroll a bit down over here on the preferences. We could see the notifications and sound. Tap on that option as well. You could see the notifications and sound is muted until 3:07 p.m. tomorrow. So simply toggle up that icon which is just beside that like this, and you can fix the messenger sound. And this is it guys, and if you want the new friend notifications which is just on the friends option right over here, toggle up this icon as well. And later on, you also want to check up the notifications as well for the messenger, so press this option, go to the app info and tap on the notification, and you could see the notifications are all allowed. So this is it guys, this is how you can fix messenger sound if it's not working. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.